Hello guys, today we are going to learn about props. So if I want to pass data from one component from parent to child, then I will use prop for passing data from one component to another component. So I'm creating one file prop.html. So in that we will copy that three files. First we will copy over this code. So first I will replace that button component with chain, and this is app component. You can remove all this from app component. Then I want to add one more div. In that div I'm taking one h4 tag, h4, and in that I'm writing one name like John. In that, okay, then I'm using one p10 and writing like engineering. Then after that div I want to put one image. So in that image I need to pass that image path using source attribute. So I have already taken one image in image folder, image download.jpg and image2.jpg. So we are using images. Download .jpg. Then I'm passing width and height. Suppose 100 pixel. And also height 100 pixel. Source images download.dp. It is not wrong. That I'm taking one class name, here, card here also one taking class name for applying CSS container. So we are using, I'm creating one more folder for CSS and CSS. I'm creating one file style.css. Here I'm applying some CSS for card. So we are using class name as a card. So class name we specify using dot. So in card, we need to mention some CSS box. Pixel, then 0, then color, 0, then transition, 0 point, then I'm assigning with some width, 40%, then margin, we will select just one more class as a container, container. In container we are using padding left right 6 pixel, so the top and bottom is 6 and 20 pixel. Then I'm loading this child component to the app component. I want 4 times, so I'm loading this child component into the parent component 4 times. And also how we can pass this data, multiple data using props. So okay, I'm executing this code first. Okay, 4 times displaying, but our card is not added, so we have to check CSS. With 40%. Card and container, then card. Okay, I need to import that CSS first. So we are importing that CSS into the HTML using link tag. in that user relevance as a style sheet href. Here we may mention that file name, so css style.css. Okay, we now our card is added. So I need to add some margin from bottom. So margin bottom 30 pixel. 30 pixel. And also I need to add border. So border 2 pixel solid black. Okay. Good. Now I want to get this data dynamically. So each child component I need to pass some different data like name is equal to suppose searching, then name, after that education like engineering, same like in another component. Suppose I'm writing like Dhoni, then Ganguly, then Kohli, okay. And here I'm changing that edu attribute like cricketer, BBA, then BCA, suppose architect, and I want to pass this. It is when we pass any data to the any child component, so that data I need to pass in an attribute format like key and value format. And so here I'm getting that value. So first I need to use one parameter object. So it is working like in object having this all data name and edu education. So I'm getting this data like object of, if I want to get dynamic data, so we are accessing data in object, like object dot that key values name, otherwise object of in square bracket we pass that one string, and that string we pass that variable attribute key name, like name, and that we need to pass into the curly parenthesis. Then same for education attribute. Okay, sorry, I need to write in next line. Object of edu. We need to use whatever whatever attribute I have attribute key I have passed edu. So same like this edu and name I need to pass here. Otherwise it will give error. And need to pass in curly parentheses because it is JSX. Sorry, uh, JavaScript. If you want to write JavaScript, so we need to pass into the curly parentheses in HTML, because these whole are HTML, we can't directly pass this into the HTML. So that's why we need to pass into the curly parentheses. Then execute. We are checking. It is working on Sachin, Dhoni, yes, Ganguly, Kohli. Yeah, whatever data I have passed to the child component, so that attribute data we are passing like object, and in that object we are accessing this data like object of name, object of education, like this. So thank you guys.